Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecasts. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels 5-pack. Haven't unboxed a 5-pack in a while. Got the Hot Wheels City 5-pack. Had to pick this up. I think this is a really cool 5-pack for 2021. Got a lot of really cool castings in it. But yeah, I literally just bought these yesterday at my Family Dollar, along with my Super Treasure Hunt. GTN 41 is the number for the entire 5-pack. These are all made in Indonesia. This one is the Hot Wheels Armored Truck. This one is High Beam, HW Pursuit, Runaway Rescue, and Time Attaxi. This is the Hot Wheels City 5-pack. Look at the art. Wow. This is cool art for a Hot Wheels City. This is 2021 5-pack, 2020 copyright. Alright, I'm going to get it open, then I'll give you a closer look at the cars after. Gotta rip down. And you gotta pull it out. I know it takes you a while to figure it out, but once you get it, it's pretty easy. Here we are. Start off with the HW Armored Truck. All of these are made in Indonesia. This is Armored Transport, HW City Bank, with all those colors on it. Actually really loving those colors. Gold, blue, and orange. We got DD8 wheels with those, what's it called? Orange. Those orange rims. Bumper. And other side, same exact thing. And there's the top there. This used to have an opening door, but retooled it. Made in Indonesia. Metal base. Everything on the top is plastic. It's always been plastic, actually. This casting first came out in 1997, they designed it in 1996, and then retooled in 2014. Cool casting. Here's the first edition, the very first edition of it. And as you can see, it's missing the door, but it's always had a plastic-based metal top. This one actually has screws in it, as opposed to the rivets. Pretty cool, but this is our first vehicle. High Beam is next. I have this one on the package, like on the original card for 2020, and this is the newest variation in this matte white color. Cool casting, like alien colors to this one, like blue, white, and green, like perfect. And the blue 5-spoke wheels. My first one of these loose. Got the headlights. Compact rally car, really liking it. Got the decals. Look at that. Green interior. This thing is pretty dang cool. If you ask me, of course. Yeah, plastic base, made in Indonesia. The cars from Indonesia don't sound like, the wheels don't spin smooth anymore. They used to spin like really heck smooth. This is Hot Wheels Pursuit. There we go, smooth rolling wheels. Wow, the front one spins amazing. But this is the City Response for the Hot Wheels City 5-pack for 2021. Loving the Metal Flake Orange. HW City Response. And white yellow wall wheels, PR5s, and it's like a station wagon. And is that like a... that's like a turbo jet engine or whatever. But cool casting. Liking this Hot Wheels City station wagon. This is the first one that I have of this casting. I think this looks really cool out of the packaging. This one looks really cool. 2012 casting. Don't know what happened up there. It's like a thing there. This thing is super cool though. Rolls very smooth. Can't wait to put that one on the track. Runaway Rescue. I have one of these from 2020 still in the packaging. But this has a special feature. This goes up like that. And as you can see, well, you can't see it. I'll go get the plastic. Where this was in the packaging, the white paint actually started to rub off onto it. You could pause and read. You'll see that if you like. Just blower wheels, tree service. Wow, this one's probably my favorite out of all of them. Even though all the top's plastic and has a metal base, Indonesia, it's like a metal flake, black. Runaway Rescue. Whew, this thing is sick. Wow. Let's take a good look at those details. White blower wheels. I need to look up what it stands for. I kind of forgot what it stands for, but that's what it looks like. Tree service. All those cool decals, leaves, and stuff like that. I think this is a very cool casting. Finally, we got the Time Attaxi. I used to have the same exact casting. I think it was the orange one that came out. But my friend didn't like the car that he got. See, we were getting prizes. So we decided to trade them up. And I got the flash drive. Yes, I traded one of the first editions of the Time Attaxi for this. I mean, it is still a cool casting, but I mean, I kind of wish I did keep Time Attaxi. Well, I don't know. I think I like them both equally. Yeah, smooth spinning wheels on that. Beauty. It's a taxi. It's got plastic right there. That's pretty interesting. It's got plastic like those early crack-ups of the 1980s. Got MC5 rims on this one with a green lip. Quick Eats delivery. Loving this color. This color is absolutely banging. Quick Eats delivery with yellow and green. Man, this is a sick rally car. It almost looks like a Ford Escort. Look at those pipes there. Pretty cool. Yellow interior. Taxi, you gotta have the thing on the top. Thing is really cool. 2015. Copyright with a plastic base. Loving these. Ooh, my camera just lagged out there. Sorry for that big fat lag spike. But yeah, I just unboxed 5 of the Hot Wheels City cars for 2021. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You line them all up. Not in order of importance, but the order of what they came in. Thanks so much for tuning in, and subscribe for more. I would really appreciate it. It would really help me out. Thanks so much. And I love all my supporters. Subscribe for more. Man, I just knocked over one of my carded cars.